Shemai, my name is Bakani Pickup. I'm the new Artistic Director of National Dance Company Wales. 2025 has been a really great year for National Dance Company Wales. We've had an amazing tour all across Wales and in England, and we've had the opportunity to meet lots of different people that are really energized and excited about dance. It is an amazing opportunity for me, having started in September, to be able to take the company in a new direction and see what we can achieve together as people that love and care about dance. I'm excited to announce our program for 2026. First, we will be bringing back our 4x10 program, which will introduce 4 choreographers who will make 10-minute works on the company. We'll be inviting Kate Lawrence, Colette Sadler, Ed Myhill, and myself. Shortly after, we will be beginning a new program for our autumn tour next year, which will include a restaging of Ordinary Courage by Theo Klinkhardt and a new commission by Alessandro Sutton. I'm very excited about this program. I believe that it is centered very much in my belief in facilitating different perspectives of what contemporary dance can be, but also at the same time facilitating a space that everyone can relate to, universal themes for everyone across Wales and around the globe. As well as creating new works and celebrating different choreographers, we will continue our artistic development program, Creative Associates. We will invite 2 new artists to develop and explore ideas and research with the company, and more will be announced soon. As well as this, we will continue our Young Associates and Dance for Parkinson's programs and the work we do in the community of Penrhys through our Above and Beyond project. It's been great to learn more about the way we share space and exchange knowledge with our local sector, and I hope that all of these will continue to grow over the next 12 months and beyond. I believe that it's important for us to be able to create a route between community engagement and the performance work we do. These 2 things to us coexist together, and one cannot happen without the other. We're very excited for our 2026 season, and we look forward to you joining us. Diolch.